Guys, I'm Ronnie Romero. Now I'm gonna show you on this video on special types of function, and it's required for our exam in calculus, and I hope you like this video, and let's do this. So guys, our first function we're going to talk about it is linear function by graphing and finding the x and y intercept. So one thing that can makes them special is if you have 2 points that you know that the function. So in order to graph that function, what are we going to do is find the specific points here and there. And now here our example, 2x plus 4y equals 12. So finding the y-intercept, I'm simply going to substitute in the value of 0 for x right here. 0, 0. You're going to substitute the x into 0. So 2 times 0 equals 0 plus 4y equals 12. So I'm left the equation for y equals 12. We divide both sides by 4 here. So slash bring down the y equals 12 divided by 4 equals 3. So our y-intercept is 0 and 3. So now we find our y-intercept is 3. And now we're going to find our value in x. Let's say 2x plus 4, and now we're going to find the x-intercept. We simply going to substitute the y into 0 value equals 12. 4 times 0 is 0. Now bring down the x equals 12, and now bring down the x equals 2 divided by 12 divided by 2 equals 6. So now we find that our x value is 6, 0. And we point that our value in the graph, and now we're going to connect it. So that's how to find the linear function and finding the x and y intercept by using graphing. So that's it. And now is quadratic function. From the graph of parabola, determine the vertex, axis of symmetry, y-intercept, x-intercept, domain, range, and minimum and maximum value. So now, vertex. The word vertex means peak. So the vertex of our parabola is peak point, which is here. And the lowest point. And setting of 1 and -9. 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 1 1 and negative 9. So next is axis of symmetry. It divides the parabola in two equals of vertical line that that passes through the x intercept right here. And now the axis of symmetry is x1. X equals 1. And now is the y-intercept. The y-intercept is the point where the parabola intersects the y-axis. So y-axis is the intersect the parabola is 8, as you can see right here. So our y-intercept is negative 8. And now is the x-intercept, are the point of where parabola intersects the x-axis. So the 2 points, the parabola of the where parabola intersect right here, 4, positive 4, and negative 2. So our x-intercept is negative 2 and positive 4. Next is domain. Domain is the set of the x value which a function is defined. So here our parabola define the all x values also and a negative x values right here. And now so the domain of quadratic function is all real numbers. So the domain of our parabola is x is all real number. And now range is a y-intercept and the value is 9, negative 9, and anything above. And now is y is greater than to equal to negative 9. And so this parabola has of minimum value of negative 9 right here. It's because it's referring on a value of function in y-intercept.